we're looking to improve that guest experience after each event, and that's data that helps drive that decision for us.
How do you prepare for business transformation, looking ahead, let's say 10 years, and then how do you use data to drive that?
Data and measurement are a big part of our organization. We look to grow and evolve each year, and we use data to help guide that strategy. We have a number of tech partners that we work closely with. They help us, to be innovative on all different levels of our business, whether it's from our guest experience or whether it's from sports science to help our players. Here's a great example. We have a measurement of when people come to the game. It's called NFL Voice of the Fan. We measure a number of different things about the fan's experience throughout the day when attending a game. And we can narrow that down to the exact section, row, seat in the building to make sure that we're addressing any type of issues that come up, whether it's the sound level, whether it's the lighting level, whether it's the selection of food and beverage that's served outside of a section. That analytics helps us, after each game, change the way that we operate our facility.